for your kind words. The video truly shows that the Master Students program is a testament to shape lives.
And we are privileged to have such a mentor among us, our faculty advisor, Professor Pankaj Ranade sir.
Thank you, sir.
Before we begin today's exciting event, let us introduce you to the dynamic duo who will guide us through the entire journey with their energy, charm and enthusiasm. Now, we would like to introduce our first anchor for the day. She truly radiates calm, grace and brings a glow that lights up the room. Ms. Purnima Zadav from the Department of Electrical Engineering has a heart full of kindness and a spirit that brings confidence, be it anchoring an event, delivering a speech with poise, or simply motivating someone. She always brings a positive impact. Her passion for both dance and yoga makes her a perfect blend of elegance and flexibility. With a keen interest in fashion, her ramp walk at Mafik was a standout moment, showcasing her elegance under the spotlight. She is an inter-school skating and basketball player, which reflects her effortlessness and precision in every move. In addition to this, her love for esports brings a strategic flair to her vibrant personality. As the head girl of her school, she values discipline and always uplifts others. Driven by a passion for upholding justice, she aspires to shape the nation financial system as an income tax officer. Her greatest motivation is to be the reason for her parents' proud smiles. Now, without further ado, let's welcome the ever-radiant Miss Purnima Zadav.
It's time to bring our second anchor for the day, who is not just a voice on stage, but a true blend of creativity and logic. Atharva is a talented artist at soul, a master of sketches, doodles and creative expressions. Collaborating with the Road Track Club of Nashik, he has spread powerful messages through his artistry. For him, winning art competitions was not just a highlight. It was another effortless brushstroke in the everyday masterpiece that he calls life. His Instagram handle proudly showcases his flair for his artful creations. But wait, he is not just about colors and canvases. His consistent dedication and curiosity made him a strong performer in academics, always striving to learn, grow, and push his limits. His coding skills and leadership have shown brightest when he led his team into the finale of the Smart India Hackathon 2023 as a team leader. He also has a rhythmic side to him, with an interest in dance which often finds his way onto the stage. Outside the world of his usual commitments, he finds peace in the lap of nature. A true nature lover at heart, he feels most alive when surrounded by green spaces and furry friends. His love for animals goes beyond just pets. He has rescued and cared for numerous stray animals, nursing them back to health with compassion and care, a genuine reflection of the depth of his kindness. A multi-talented force of passion and purpose. Let's welcome the ever-inspiring Master Atharva Lavre to the stage.
Greetings and a glorious morning to everyone present here.
In this celebration of thoughts and transformation, we are about to experience the series of talks that will go beyond inspiration. 15 powerful voices, each sharing ideas that can evoke new perspectives to our lives.
The wind moves all and lights the way.
It shapes the world and leads the day.
In every storm, we find our place.
For life begins with winds of change.
It's an absolute pleasure to mark the beginning of this vibrant gathering after a year. We are delighted to announce that IST proudly turns 22, carrying forward the legacy of igniting minds, inspiring change, and shaping the leaders for tomorrow.
With enthusiasm in our hearts and an eagerness to embark on this incredible experience, let's begin the phenomenal celebration, the Master Students Program 2025.
Let us embark on this journey with the essence of the timeless truth,
न परिवर्तनात् विनीयन्ते नूतनं सृज्यते.
which means without change, the new cannot be created.
With every beat of anticipation in the air, get ready to immerse yourself in a journey filled with moments that will leave a lasting impact.
As we step into today's journey of inspiration and excellence, to set the stage for today's event, we have someone who brings both grace and insight to our gathering. To introduce you to the dynamic essence of ISTE and the Master of Students program, we welcome Ms. Ritu Patil from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. All the way from the vibrant city of Indore to the heart of Nashik, she carries the spirit of her hometown. A spirit that shines brightest on the court, eventually leading her to be the captain of a volleyball team at the district level. Apart from volleyball, she has been a champion in judo. She believes in seizing every opportunity, exploring every field, and maintaining a balance between academics and co-curricular activities. Beyond the world of sports, she is passionate about the art of self-expression. Being a talented freestyle dancer, she has lit up the stage at our college annual event. Turning her room walls into a canvas of art, she has a great passion for doodling. Rooted with her passions and talents, she carries a deep sense of purpose. She draws inspiration from Gunjan Saxena, the fearless Kargil war pilot, and aspires to serve the nation in the Air Force as an Air Force officer, taking on every challenge that comes her way. Without further ado, let's welcome Ms. Ritu Patil onto the stage to illuminate today's event.
A very cheerful morning to one and all present here for the grandest event of IST, that is the 22nd Master Students Program. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming all the dignitaries, my fellow juniors and the entire IST family. So juniors, are you eager to know what IST is about? Yes. I remember watching a senior speak with such confidence and clarity that everyone listened with keen interest. That's when I realized IST is not just a place to share knowledge, but a platform to create new ideas. IST is a space that empowers thinkers, connects creators, and brings together thousands of bright minds. IST stands for Indian Society for Technical Education. It is a national, professional, non-profit society registered under the Indian Societies Registration Act. It is the only national organization in the field of engineering and technology. Today, IST consists of more than 5.5 lakh student members, 1 lakh teacher members, and over 2,400 institutional members, including our very own institute. Every great initiative begins with purpose. Guided by this belief, IST works with clear and focused objectives, which are to formulate the goals and responsibilities of technical education, to bring about effective linkage between industries, technical institutions, and society, to award honorary fellowships, awards, and prizes for further objectives of technical education. This has helped us in expanding our horizons, both personally and professionally. To aid into this growth, IST conducts various events like essay writing competition, poster making competition, Neuron, Vijigisha, IST Talks, and the Master Students Program. IST also conducts various technical seminars, industrial visits, expert talks, and many more. Every great idea begins with a single word, which then grows into thoughts, stories, and innovations that inspire change. With this thought, the essay writing competition became a platform for the participants to express their ideas, share perspectives, and brings together various topics in English and Marathi language. They showcase their creativity and art through the exciting topics which were ethics in the age of artificial intelligence and India, the land of diversity. Each topic sparked deep thinking and thoughtful writing among the participants. Creativity speaks and imagination takes flight. With this thought, the poster making competition became a platform for the participants to showcase their creativity, transforming ideas into visuals, blending creativity with innovation. They showcase their creativity and ideas through unique handmade posters on exciting themes, elevating sports to technology and tech marvels of transportation. They inspired us with their unique art and ideas. It was a privilege to have Mrs. Jayashree Deshmukh, the zonal manager of the Bank of India, who praised the participants' creativity and greatly motivated with her encouraging words. What do you think is the most powerful tool? Weapons, technology, or the incredible power of neurons that drive the human mind? Neuron 5.0 was the perfect answer for that question. It wasn't just a quiz, it was a celebration of quick thinking and sharp minds, with brain-teasing riddles, clever puzzles, and intense rapid-fire rounds, which kept the participants fully engaged and buzzing with the energy from start to finish, with rounds like Mind Matrix, Clue Chronicles, Visual Vault, and the thrilling buzzer blades. If you can speak, you can make an impact. And with impact comes the power to bring change. To embrace this idea, ISD introduces Vijikisha, a platform which encourages participants to share their thoughts, captivate the audience, and present their idea with confidence. It is a state-level elocution competition conducted in English and Marathi language. It is a great way to showcase one's writing skills and get recognized for your talent. This are some glimpses of Vijikisha, which was conducted in Nasik and Jalgaon. They say true success isn't just about having great ideas. It's about transforming them into reality. This year, ISD took a new step in that direction by introducing something truly special. For the very first time, it launched ISD Talks, a space where real voices, experiences, ideas came together. The stories were not just shared, but truly connected with the audience. A young mind with unstoppable grit and endless creativity. He's a symbol of jugaad and determination. He came with no big team, no fancy tool, just a simple idea and a big dream. With pure determination, he stepped into the Shark Tank, not just to pitch, but to create real change. You know who this is, don't you? Yes. Who is? Yes, that was the correct answer. He is Jugadu Kamlesh. What makes Jugadu Kamlesh stand out? His ideas, his determination, or his never give up attitude? A young entrepreneur known for his creativity and persistence. He took to the stage to share his journey. His stories filled with challenges, innovations, and hard work inspired everyone, proving that passion and perseverance can turn dreams into reality. Sometimes all it takes is a chance, a moment, a mic, a platform, a space where voices are heard, confidence is built, and real transformation begins. It's not about being the loudest. It's about finding your voice. It's not about being perfect. It's about being real. For years, this program has helped students grow, speak up, and lead, not just on stage, but in life. So, as the spotlight returns once again, we proudly present the 22nd Master Students Program. It was started by our former principal, Dr. V.T. Parvezer. For this event, top 14 speakers give presentation on 14 life-changing topics under the grooming of experienced mentors and super mentors. It was started in the year 2003. Since then, the legacy has been carried forward under IST by respected principal Dr. K.N. Nandurkar sir. For this event, by a respected principal Dr. K.N. Nandurkar sir. Moreover, it gives me immense happiness in telling you that our college has been awarded with the prestigious title of the Best IST Students Chapter for 5 times in a row. Moreover, our respected principal, Dr. K.N. Nandurkar sir, has been awarded with the prestigious title of the Best Institutional Leader. Since the last 21 years, MSB brings some eye-opening things under this spotlight. Previous year, 2023-24, the theme introduced was era-defining milestones. And today, I am coming up with this year's fascinating theme, that is, chasing the winds of change. Now, let me tell you a story. Once in a kingdom known for its warrior lived a young archer. From the time he could walk, he had a bow in his hand. His father, the finest marksman in the land, trained him every single day. His father would say, hold your breath, steady your aim, focus on the target and release. The boy practiced for years. His arrows never missed. He could hit a fruit from 100 paces. People called him unstoppable. The boy practiced for years. Then one day the king announced a grand tournament. The strongest warriors would compete and the winner would earn a place in the royal army. The young archer was ready. He knew everything about archery. What could go wrong? Next, on the day of the competition, he stepped into the arena. The first target stood still. Easy. He pulled back his bow, aimed and shot right in the center. The crowd cheered. Next was a moving target. He aimed, focused and shot the perfect shot again. The crowd cheered. This was his moment. His confidence grew. But then the final challenge was announced. The targets were placed far away, and worse, a strong wind had started blowing. He aimed, focused, and hit. The arrow missed. He tried again. It missed again. He took a deep breath and tried one more time. He still missed it. His hands began to shake. He had never failed like this before. The cheers stopped, and he felt something he had never felt before. Nervous, unsure, and small. His mind was full of noise. Years of practice, yet he was missing. He had trained every day, but no one ever told him what to do when the wind was this strong. Then his father's voice came back to him. A true archer does not fight the wind. He moves with it. So this time, he didn't rush. He didn't force it. He closed his eyes for a second and felt the wind. He watched the way the leaves moved, how the air flowed through the arena. He took a deep breath and tried one more time. He aimed not against the wind, but with it, and let the arrow go. It flew through the air, gently turned with the wind, and hit the target right in the center. The crowd roared. The archer smiled. This was his moment. He had not just hit the target, but he had learned something new. His journey wasn't about proving what he had learned. It was about learning what the world was teaching him. Because true mastery isn't about controlling everything. It's about adapting, evolving, and growing. We all grow up with a plan. We think if we follow all the steps, we'll reach our goal. But sometimes things don't go as planned. We miss the target, the wind shifts, and the road bends. And in those moments, we have a choice to panic and give up, or to pause, listen, learn, and try again, just like the young archer. Because true strength is not in holding the bow tighter, it's in knowing when to adjust your aim. And that's what chasing the winds of change is all about. We are not here to fight this storm. We are here to learn from it, grow with it, and fly through it. And today we have 14 archers. They are archers of life, each one aiming towards a dream, each one adjusting to the winds of their own journey. They are here to show us how to face challenges, how to move with change, and how to find our target even when the sky looks unclear. So, open your hearts, pick up your bow, feel the wind, and let's chase the change together. Now, let's hear from our speakers. Courage at the Crossroads by Parth the Haker. Timeless Craft by Deepak Barude. Pathways to Progress by Vasundhara Dogre. The Power of Questioning by Jayant Singh. The Clockworks of Dreams by Veena Pardeshi. Conquering the Cosmos by Aryan Suryavanshi. Echoes of Distraction by Amol Aradhya. Fragments of Peace by Swarda Auhar. Redesigning the Rulebook by Vedant Sonamne. Beyond the Finish Line by Khushi Ostwal. The Cognitive Link by Rishikesh Buttar. The Invisible Ink by Kedar Patil. Silhouette of a Visionary by Atharva Manik. And The Perfection Paradox by Aditya Ahira. Last but not the least, the guiding voices of our today's event are anchors for the day, Purnima Zadhav and Atharva Lavre. Now, I conclude by quoting, change is like a compass. It may alter your direction, but it leads you towards a journey that redefines who you are.